awuqoqele izinto futhi
Qoqela izinto ngesicele futhi.
yabo nje mfethu okugcina yabo nje ngiyakubuka ngiyarecognize okugcina nje ngikhuluma nawe kanje okugcina kungenzeki ngiphinde futhi ngizokhuluma nawe kanje ngiyacela nje kungenzeki
Akafana ukuthola
bafethu sisemona lapha konke umuntu uyaqoqa aqoqela konke sikwenza ekhanyeni sikwenza emini abantu kumele bahambe ngempela bam
Fala uyasho kodwa phela nawe. Ngoba kusiza lento yokufihlana kwethu.
Mane
Ngapha mama owakho. Hawu.
ukaba lokho
Manje uhlala kanjani lapha nomdayisela la?
usuka mama usuka mama
Liphi la kita kulo sithanda.
usuka empangeni
akekho umuntu okhuluma la
ubani inkosi yasekhayoni
yeke ngicela
ubani inkosi yasempangeni mama inkosi isilo sakazulu ubani isilo sakazulu
kuyasetshenzwa.
isilo sakazulu ubani isilo sakazulu ngathi uhlole usuka empangeni phela wena ngisho wena isilo empangeni uba isilo sakho isilo sakho ubani isilo umvelasi isilo umvelasi isilo
Hayi ukuthi
qoka mama
kulungile ke sifami. Yazi asenze kanje lento ukuze kusasa izobe izama indlela zokuthi uthole i-ID okwamanje ngoba asakayithole proof sizocela ukuthi isiqoqe la.
umvelasi isilo sakho
Sizazela usinikeza zona. Khona la ayigcina sithuthi. La kusasa uzoba khona khona usuku.
ugejile isilo sakho umvelasi isilo kusiya umvelasi mama ubani isilo sakho inkosi amakhosi ubani
Ubani indlula misho kakhulu. KwaZulu. Unenomhlanga. Uyabona izinto ezijabulayo. Wena ke sisi uhamba nini usuka kiphi? Usuka kephi sisi?
hlala empangeni kodwa usuka kule phezulu
Usuka kephi? Uyabona ukuthi ubangile. Yabuka nje. Uyabona nje wethiwa nje uyabona ke. Unamasu lokho. Yabona nje ukuthi uyikhulumela yonke lento ayekela lento yakho. Yabona. Manje usuyasichazela ngoba thina sesisuke senza kanje. Ngoba ube honest kuthina ekuqaleni.
usuka mama
Usemozambique nje. Usemalawi.
Cha.
Waku.
Eswazini.
Awusekho Eswazini.
yini le
Manje mambona ukuthi siyadlala.
kumfishane ngikhomba
Oh,
alright
ngikhulumile naye.
uthi
Yasephuzile.
ifuzile man ngegekele okay bafethu sisemona ke lapho kusemona ngempela kaqoqishwana eqoqwa nje konke sikwenza nje ilanga libalele hayi kumele ufake ikhephu ngoba hey akekho umuntu kumele adayise lapho ongaphandle
Athula zokudayisana. Ukuhamba
Udayisa lesi phela. Ngeke uze ukuhlole. Imama mama sicela ukubuza. Since inazi ke nina abantu bala Nongoma ukuthi abantu bokufika kwathiwa abahambi ngomhla ka-30. Umhla ka-30 ungabashayeli bila. Kodwa nina ke nisebenzisana kanye nabo nangu la. Naba abanye lapha bendlaliwe lapha nani nilapha nendawo. Ikhona nje imizamo enike niyenze. Umzulu. Umuntu okufika esingamdinga ubalekele impomo umzulu. La abantu masana ukubavumela sibengela ngaphakathi nina. Yinina kufanele nisifonele nisitshentshe naba abantu sebengela ngaphakathi. Abafuni ukuzwa bazokho. Kufanele bezwe ngenye indlela ke manje. Kufanele bezwe la kaNongoma la nisithunza kaNongoma sibuye. kaNongoma la isahlala enkosi la singazoqashazwa ngabantu. Lo msebenzi waqala la nje. Hayi imali umzulu. Mupha imizwa obalekele.
Uyamanzi lapha ekhangeni emahlangeni.
Hayi asibathembeni omama, asibathembeni. Asibathembeni. Senzani la ndona namhlanje?
Namhlanje hey bafowethu kunzima. Sila emono. Njengamanje siyaqoqa. Wonke umuntu afuna ahambe abuyele ngakubo. Inkakana nenkakana lidla umsundo wangakubo bafowethu konakele namuhla. Konakele nje akekho ukuthi simdinga la ngaphathi efieldini ongesiyona wakulelizwe. La sizohweba njengabantu abahlali bakulelizwe sihweba ngendlela futhi efanele. So njengamanje akekho umuntu umuntu ositshela ukuthi ena sihamba phi simaphi. Yeah. So nje bafowethu hayi. Sibambisana. Lelizwe lelilolunga ngathi sizinsizwe. Ngiyabonga.
Dona inkosi.
Awusho mfowethu ngoba usebenza nje itafula lakho la kude kanje ngabe mhlawumbe lapha uyabadedela la abantu lapho kufika bebe namatafula lapho eduze wena la kufanele lizohlala la kodwa ubunga wendawo ngoba nawe mhlawumbe washaya yena
Lothi sibona ukuthi la emono wonke umuntu enendawo so ungena endaweni yana asathathola le
madoda la emona ngaphakathi kodwa asingazi bafuthi kufike thina la abantu laba fanele bavumele ukuthi beze bendlale nje into zabo lezaba ingabavumele ukuthi beze beyibeke into zabo phansi la abantu laba sibadingi lento ixayela kaNongoma abanye abantu abakwezinye indawo abanye amadolobha uma bezobuka kaNongoma uthi imona magcwele imona bona abantu bekufika bethi qhu bazothina abanye abantu futhi kahle kahle siyaphapha thina sami sokhophela abanye amadolobha sishiyelelanga kithi lonakele emngolelini futhi thina kahle kahle abantu bakithi bayasidayisa basidayisa kulabantu bangaphandle ukuthi kufanele qhamuka abafana abaphaya umthatha bese kuyima beqoqa nibayeke nini nisebenza la benibangisa banibangisa phela abantu kahle kahle ngeke usuke lapho uthi wamudayisa eMozambique ngeke usuke udayisa eZimbabwe la abantu abahambe unini nidayisayo la ngaphakathi asibadingi
hayi ezakala
Ubani mama?
Hi everyone, my name is Jacinta Mangobese Zuma, the leader and founder of March and March. In the past 17 months, the March and March movement has made some significant strides in making sure that South Africans are put first in their country, and for the first time we're seeing lawmakers and people who are supposed to be doing their job actually doing their job. But none of this would have been possible without the people who were there from day one. And when I talk about day one, I mean people who are there sacrificing their time, making sure that when nobody believed that this concept could even be anything that goes past one march that has failed, They were there to say, you know what, because we believe in you and we believe in the vision of putting South Africans first, we're going to make sure that we are part of March and March. Today, we're seeing the significant growth of March and March. We're seeing the significant strides that have been made simply because people believed in it when it was just it wasn't even a baby. It was still an idea that I was pregnant with. And one of those people today has been put forward to be the mayoral candidate of Durban, eThekwini. And knowing eThekwini and the significant problems that we have faced as a municipality, it's very, very important that we choose the right people. This particular person has always been seen standing for the people and with the people. And for us, it is very heartwarming to see that they continue to put their name forward to make sure that they stand with the people. Today, in my very own hometown, KwaMashu, where I grew up as a young girl with great vision and great dreams and hope for the future of the country, it is really, really exciting for me to know that this is the same place that's going to be announcing the Action SA mayoral candidates for the year 2026 and for the 4th of November local government elections. So to the people today of eThekwini, please, please, let's celebrate, let's put our hands together for the Action SA mayoral candidate, and let's make sure that when the 4th of November comes, we do not make the mistake of choosing people who do not choose us. So congratulations and thank you, Action SA, for making sure that you are putting your best foot forward, best candidates forward, to make sure that these are great leaders with great capacity to run all the municipalities and all the wards that you have been put forward. We congratulate you in all the work that you continue to do to make sure that you put South Africans first. And whether it's local government elections or in the national government, we see you in Parliament putting together motions that seek to put South Africans first. We know that the work is going to continue. So today's announcement is the beginning of yet another milestone for the political party and hopefully for many other places that need great leadership. We say today that let the action begin, let the work begin, and March and March is always going to be rooting for people who we've seen to be putting South Africans first and who we know that they will make sacrifices for our people instead of putting corruption first. So thank you once again and congratulations, and we wish you all the best, and we know that we can trust in you. So all the best. Go ahead and do it for the people of eThekwini.